Have you ever wondered why some men cheat? It's a question that has intrigued and perplexed many of us. Infidelity in relationships, particularly why some men cheat, is a complex issue that goes beyond simple explanations. It is crucial to grasp the psychological factors that underlie this behavior. By understanding these factors, we can better navigate the complex landscape of human relationships. In this video, we'll delve into the psychology behind why some men cheat, backed by scientific studies and theories. Let's kick things off with an evolutionary perspective. Now, if we take a step back and look at our species through the lens of evolution, we find some interesting theories. One such theory is that of sexual selection, which suggests that men are biologically wired to spread their genes. Now, before you roll your eyes and think we're making excuses, let's delve deeper. The theory of sexual selection is founded on the principle that males have a biological drive to ensure the propagation of their genetic material. This drive is not unique to humans but is seen across various species in the animal kingdom. The difference lies in how this drive is channeled and expressed. In the context of human behavior, some evolutionary psychologists propose that this drive may manifest in a predisposition towards infidelity in some men. This is not to say that all men are destined to cheat, or that they can't control their actions. Far from it. It merely suggests that some men may have a higher propensity for infidelity due to these evolutionary influences. Several scientific studies support this theory. For instance, research indicates that men who have a higher number of sexual partners are more likely to cheat. This pattern, according to some evolutionary psychologists, could be a manifestation of the biological drive to spread one's genes. Another interesting study found a correlation between infidelity and specific genetic markers in men. The research suggests that some men may be genetically predisposed to cheat. However, it's important to note that correlation does not equal causation, and further research is needed in this area. Additionally, it's worth noting that while biology may play a role, it doesn't give anyone a free pass to cheat. We are not slaves to our biology. As rational beings, we have the ability to make choices and decisions that align with our personal values and societal norms. So, from an evolutionary perspective, it seems that some men may cheat due to inherent biological drives. But remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle, and there are many other factors at play. Stay tuned as we dive into those in the coming scenes. Another psychological theory that might shed some light is the attachment theory. This theory, rooted in the work of British psychiatrist John Bowlby, suggests that the bonds we form in our early life lay the foundation for our relationships in adulthood. According to attachment theory, we all develop an attachment style early in life, usually based on how our parents or primary caregivers interacted with us. These styles can be secure, where a person feels confident and connected in their relationships, or they can be insecure, where a person may feel anxious or avoidant in their relationships. Now let's relate this to infidelity. Studies suggest that men who had insecure attachments in their early life may be more prone to infidelity. Let's break this down a bit. Insecure attachment can manifest in two ways: anxious and avoidant. Anxiously attached individuals crave intimacy, but are constantly worried about their partner's commitment. On the other hand, avoidantly attached individuals are uncomfortable with closeness, and tend to keep their partners at arm's length. In the context of infidelity, an anxiously attached man might cheat out of fear that their partner isn't truly committed. They may seek validation through other romantic or sexual relationships. For avoidantly attached men, infidelity could be a way to maintain distance and independence in their relationship. By engaging in an affair, they can avoid the intimacy they find so uncomfortable. It's important to note, however, that attachment theory is not a definitive explanation for why men cheat. Not all people with insecure attachment styles will be unfaithful. It's just one piece of a complex puzzle. Moreover, it's possible for people to change their attachment styles over time, especially through therapy and secure relationships. So, just because someone has an insecure attachment style doesn't mean they're doomed to a life of infidelity. Insecure attachment styles could potentially make men more susceptible to infidelity. But remember, understanding is the first step to change. Knowing our attachment style can help us understand our behavior and make healthier relationship choices. Moving on, let's look at the social learning theory. This viewpoint takes us into the realm of learned behavior. It suggests that men, like everyone, are products of their environment, and their actions, including infidelity, can be influenced by what they've observed from significant figures in their lives. Think about it. We're all learning machines, picking up cues and behaviors from our surroundings. From a young age we observe our parents, friends, and even celebrities, and we often subconsciously mimic their behaviors. This is the crux of social learning theory, where behaviors are learned by observing others. Now let's tie this into infidelity. If a man grew up observing infidelity, whether it was a parent, a close relative, or a family friend, it's possible that this behavior has been internalized. This doesn't mean that every man who's witnessed infidelity will cheat. It simply suggests that they may have a higher propensity to do so. This theory is backed by numerous studies. For instance, research conducted by the University of New Hampshire found that sons of cheating fathers were more likely to cheat than those whose fathers were faithful. Another study by the American Psychological Association found a similar trend among people who had friends who cheated. These studies suggest a correlation between observing infidelity and engaging in it later in life. But it's not all doom and gloom. The beauty of social learning theory is that it also suggests we can unlearn behaviors. With self-awareness, reflection, and perhaps professional help, individuals who've grown up around infidelity can understand their predisposition and work towards healthier relationship practices. In conclusion, social learning theory offers a compelling viewpoint on why some men may cheat. It underscores the power of role models and our environment in shaping our behaviors. This theory suggests that men who've seen infidelity modeled may be more likely to cheat. These theories provide us with fascinating insights into the psychology of why some men cheat. We've journeyed through the landscape of evolutionary psychology, seeing how natural selection may have favored traits that lead to infidelity. The possibility that men, due to their biological makeup, might be drawn to multiple partners as a way to ensure the survival of their genes. We've also delved into the world of attachment theory, exploring how early life experiences and the quality of parental bonds may influence the likelihood of infidelity in adulthood. We've seen how insecure attachment styles can lead to a higher propensity for cheating, as individuals might seek validation or attempt to avoid feelings of abandonment. Then we ventured into the realm of social learning theory. We've considered how behavior can be learned through observation and imitation, suggesting that infidelity might also be a learned behavior. If a man grew up in an environment where infidelity was common, he might be more likely to cheat himself. But, as we wrap up this captivating exploration, let's not forget the essential point. These theories are not justifications, but explanations. They shed light on the complexities of human behavior, yet they don't provide excuses for infidelity. Ultimately, the decision to cheat is a personal one, influenced by a range of factors. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more thought-provoking content.